Welcome guys. So this is an easy to moderate set of data interpretation. Let's see this. 7 student A, B, C, D, E, F had written an exam. The following bar chart gives the difference of the marks of each student from C. So we have the bar graph. We know the difference of marks from each student from C. So the difference of marks from C to A is 260. So what can be the marks of A? The marks of A can be C plus 260 or it can be C minus 260. So there are just two possibilities. Now the student scoring the highest gets the first rank, the second highest gets the second rank, and so on. Now what further information we have? That G does not get rank 2 and F gets rank 4. Fine. So similarly for every other person, we can have two scores possible. That is, for B we can have C plus 130 and it can also have C minus 130, because this is just the difference. 130 is the difference. It can be, B can be greater than C or it can be less than C. Similarly D would have C minus 30 or it can have C plus 30. Similarly for E it would be C plus 80 or C minus 80. Similarly for F it could be either C plus 110 or C minus 110. So again two possibilities. Similarly for G it can be either C plus 150 or it can be either C minus 150. Now what extra information that we have is that G does not get rank 2 and F gets rank 4. So let's make a table in which we have the name of person, rank and their scores. Fine. Now let's start. What information that we have is that F rank is fixed and that is the rank of 4. So F, now F has two possibilities, either to score C plus 110 or C minus 110. And the another information that we have, that G cannot come at this place, cannot get G at this place. Now let's see in each of the case when F equals to C plus 110. Now when F equals to C plus 110, the rank of C itself would be somewhere between 5, 6 and 7. Also we need to have 3 person having the score more than C plus 110. Now let's see if that is possible or not. 3 person more than the score of C plus 110. Yes, that is possible. That if we take this score of A, if we take this score of B, and if we take this score of G. Now what happens if I just take these 3 scores? Also I cannot take any other scores because they will not be greater than C plus 110. Now if I take this, the value would be C plus 260, C plus 150 and C plus 130. Now C plus 150 is the score of G and G cannot come at the second place. Okay. So this makes it very clear that we cannot go with the value of F that equals to C plus 110. So we'll have to select this value and see the possibility. Okay. So let's remove this case. Now we are very sure that the value of F is, or the score of F is C minus 110. So we'll have 3 values more than C minus 110 and the score of C itself would be in the first 3. And we'll have 3 values less than C minus 110. Now if we just observe who can have 3 values less than C minus 110, what are the possibilities to have, or who can have the value C minus 110 less than C minus 110? So this can be a value, this could be a value, and the other value that we can have is this C minus 150. We just have 3 values, right? So now we can, if we just have these 3 values and the 3 places to arrange, we can definitely put it in this section according to the marks. So C minus 130 would be over here and C minus 150 would be over here and C minus 260 would be over here. And this is for A, this is for G and this is for B. Now 3 values which is remaining over here, one would be C itself, the other has to be greater than C minus 110. Now the value is greater than C minus 110 can be any value of D, C plus 30 or C minus 30, both are greater than C minus 110. Also I can take both these values, right? C plus 80 or C minus 80, this is also greater than C minus 110, but these are fixed. Now let's try to answer the question. Question number 1 says, who has scored the lowest marks among all the 7 students? We know that it is A. What is the rank of B? Rank of B is 5. If it is known that C was ranked 3rd, so C was ranked 3rd, this score is C over here. So what do we need to find? Who has scored the highest marks? Who has scored the highest marks? So first, these 2 marks would be definitely greater than C. It will be possible when it is C plus 30, when I take this score of D and C plus 80. Now C plus 80 belongs to E. Now this marks is for E. So answer is A. Now let me remove this because this was extra information that we have taken. Question number 4 says, which among the following cannot be the rank of E? We have seen that E can get rank 1. Also, is it possible? Let's cross check. Let's cross check with C rank 3 given to E. Now in that case, if I take C minus 80 and C and C plus 30, so there is a possibility that E can get rank 3. So this is also removed. Now we cannot have more than 1. So answer is this. Now question number 5 says, the ranking of how many students can uniquely be determined. So we were seeing that throughout all the questions that these 4 students ranking is always fixed. So answer to this question is B, 4. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.